of recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Ancho chili powder, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon of Cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 cup of chicken stock that will be used later.
Later.
After letting it rest for 2 hours, now you can add the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and the 1 cup of chicken stock, and you can put it in the oven at 250 degrees for 2 hours. For this bacon barbecue sauce, you will need 2 cups of ketchup, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 5 slices of chopped bacon, 1/2 an onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of dry mustard, 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme, 1/4 cup of molasses, extra virgin olive oil, bay leaf, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of red vinegar, and 2 garlic cloves chopped. For this final step, let it simmer for about 30 minutes at low temperature.